Hello, my name is Sven. I'm the Senior Product Manager for the lab business, for the software and for the lab scanners. And the purpose of this video is that I want to show you the new lab scanner portfolio that we're introducing in 2017. What we want to do with this is we want to support all labs. We want to help labs secure and grow their business. And we can do that because with this portfolio, we have the best CAD/CAM solution for everyone, whether you're a small lab or you're a really big lab. The portfolio we have contains 5 scanners, 3 brand new scanners, the E1, the E2 and E3, and also the best scanners in the portfolio, the D1000 and the D2000 that we've had on the market for some time, but that are still unprecedented. The E1 is really the essential that you need to digitize your lab. It's a good, fast scanner. If you want to increase your productivity and also get the ability to have texture on your scan so that you can see hand drawings, you can go for the E2. With the E3, you have high performance and you have implant bar accuracy. If you want exceptional high accuracy and even higher productivity, the D1000 or even the D2000 is even better for you. With the D1000, you can do die and arch scanning, and you can also do that in the D2000, but because with the D2000 you can also do a one scan operation. You can do all in one scanning with the scanning the upper and the lower in the same operation. You have the ability to scan an entire case in one go. So what's new in this portfolio are the new e-scanners, and I'll go through the differences between them in a little while, but something is obviously common for them. It is the latest technology. They all have blue LED multi-line scanning. You can even see the multi-lines here that they have the blue lines. And they have what we call auto start for high productivity. So the scanner will automatically recognize when you put in a new model in the scanner, there is a new model, I'll start scanning. And they are fast. Not equally fast, but they are all quite fast. And with these, you don't have to compromise having a scanner that can either scan models or impressions. All the scanners in the portfolio can do reliable impression scanning, and that includes all the e-scanners. On top of that, they are really good value for money, the e-scanners. They are really high quality, accessible to all. So this is the new E1 scanner. It is really the essential you need to digitize your lab. It can do everything you want and need. It can scan models, it can scan impressions. It can scan fairly fast. For instance, it can scan a full arch in about 40 seconds. The accuracy of it is 10 microns on the ISO object, which is good enough for all your everyday cases. This is the E2. You can tell it from the E1 by the fact that it's got a slightly narrower ring than the E1. It's faster than the E1, so this can scan a full arch in 30 seconds. The accuracy is the same, so 10 microns on the ISO object. What you can do with the E2 is that you can also capture texture. So if you have, for instance, hand drawings on your models to see how far down the teeth should go, or if you have drawn on a model in order to design a removable partial denture, you can capture that and see that directly in the software. So this is the E3, and as you can see, it's got a black cabinet and an even narrower line here. And with this, we're even faster, so you can scan a full arch in 24 seconds. And it's got better accuracy than the E1 and the E2. So with this, you can do implant bar cases and you can do implant bridges. It's got 7 microns accuracy on the ISO standard. And as with the E2, you can also capture the texture, your line drawings, but in this case you can also see the color. So you can see the color of the gypsum or the color of your pens. This is the D1000. And common for the D1000 2000 is that we are really giving you ultra high productivity and exceptional accuracy. So with this one, you can scan a full arch in 16 seconds. And you can also scan the dies in the model. So you don't have to take the dies out and do a separate scan, so that'll give you more productivity. And when it comes to accuracy, this one is down to 5 microns on the ISO standard. This is the D2000 scanner, our top model scanner. Like the D1000, it can scan a full arch in 16 seconds. It's got the 5 micron accuracy. And it can also, as you can see, hold 2 models. So with that, you can do all-in-one scanning. You only have one operation. You put in the upper and the lower model, close the door, and then you can scan everything in just one operation. So common for all the scanners, the E scanners and the D scanners, is that they can all do multi-die scanning. You simply put your dies in the fixture and scan. And as I mentioned before, they can also all do reliable impression scanning, scan any impression case. And furthermore, if you have articulated cases, articulated in large articulators like this one, you can also scan those. Simply put the model on the transfer plate and into the scanner. So that was the presentation of the 3Shape lab scanner portfolio. Thank you for your attention.